What's up, guys? It's Ruby's first Christmas. Baby's first Christmas. I had to do something special here for Ruby, so here we are. This is only just like the first of it, you guys. I'm gonna be doing stuff tomorrow all to the front. I'm excited. More lights and stuff like that. But this here is 300 count single strand, 300 count LED rainbow lights. Got these at Home Depot. And this whole process took me probably about 45 minutes. But I'm loving it. I'm leaving this thing on until February, to be honest. So yeah, it's super simple. All I did was I took the wiring up here that has no lights on it, strung it through here, strung it through my extension cord, and then strung the extension cord through the trunk along the wheel well over here inside the vehicle in the back seat. So for those of you guys on my Facebook who are my friends who own Jeeps, this is like what I did. It just plugged right in here. So through there. And then it's right through here. This goes right here. This is a 12-foot cord. Much longer than needed, but it works. So there we are. Merry Christmas, everyone. Well, almost Christmas, and happy holidays. And I'll get another video posted here tomorrow of Ruby once I get the full setup done. But this is just a small part of it that I wanted to show everyone tonight. Bye, guys.